Miss Prithvi. I
Hi,
would like to share
myself
my experience with
Trishtalwani.
Unified
I
Mentor.
have completed
My
my
overall experience has
internship with
been very
Unified
positive.
Mentor as a
The
full
program helped
stack
me
web
improve my
development intern. It
understanding
was a
of data
great learning
analytics and
experience. I
exploratory
got
data
to work on the
analysis,
projects
especially
like
through hands-on
weather
projects.
app, which uses API
I'm thankful
integration, or
to
student
Unified
teacher
Mentor for the
booking
learning
appointments,
opportunity and support
which
throughout
also
the
uses
program.
Firebase
Thank you.
and Cloud Firestore. I had
Miss
such a
Prithvi, I would
great
like
time
to share
working
my
on this
experience with
project, which
Unified Mentor. My
makes my
overall
knowledge
experience has
or
been
my
very
theoretical
positive.
knowledge worked
The
into the
program helped me
practical
improve
ones.
my
It
understanding of
improved
data
my
analytics
skills in
and
HTML,
exploratory
CSS,
data analysis,
JavaScript, and
especially through
also
hands-on
I
projects.
happened to learn new skills
I'm
like
thankful
React,
to
Node,
Unified Mentor for the learning
and
opportunity
Firebase
and
as well.
support throughout the program. Thank you.
I had such a great time. Overall, the
Miss
mentors
Prithvi,
in
I would
Unified
like to
Mentor
share
are
my
so
experience with
supportive.
Unified
Any
Mentor.
doubts can be solved
My
if I
overall
message them or
experience
call
has
them
been
in
very
any time,
positive. The
which was
program
a
helped me
great thing which
improve
makes
my
every
understanding
task
of data
easier.
analytics and
Thank you,
exploratory data
Unified Mentor,
analysis,
for giving me
especially
this
through hands-on
opportunity, and
projects.
I'll recommend to all the
I'm
students to
thankful
gain the
to
work
Unified Mentor for the learning
experience and
opportunity
the
and support
real life
throughout the program.
experience through
Thank
this.
you.
Thank you.